The walls of our homes are more than just partitions. They are the canvases upon which we paint the rhythm of our daily lives. Often, we find ourselves caught in the clamor of modern living, searching for a way to quiet the noise without sacrificing the warmth that makes a house a home. What if you could blend the rustic, grounded soul of a traditional farmhouse with the intentional, breathing silence of Japanese minimalism? Welcome to Hambalung Studio, where we believe that your living space is the most profound project you will ever undertake. Today, we are peeling back the layers of a transformative project, exploring how to craft a space where every texture and every void serves a purpose. We are embarking on a DIY home renovation. This Japanese-inspired farmhouse decor is pure Zen, showing you exactly how to reshape your environment to cultivate genuine peace. This isn't just about aesthetic trends, it's about a fundamental shift in your inside design philosophy. We are moving beyond the surface to understand how light, material, and space can be harmonized to turn even the busiest room into a sanctuary. Whether you are a seasoned renovator or picking up a hammer for the very first time, these principles will help you redefine what it means to be truly at home. Breathable minimalism. We start where life happens. In our Japanese-inspired farmhouse living room, the goal is breathable space. We replace clutter with curated pieces. Think light, natural woods, perhaps a low-profile sofa with clean lines draped in organic linen, set against warm, earthy walls. By focusing on inside design principles that prioritize negative space, we allow the room to breathe. The key here is warmth. Use textures like woven seagrass rugs and soft, neutral cushions to ensure it feels like a cozy home, not an art gallery. the heart of simplicity. The kitchen is the soul of this hybrid style. Here, we marry the hearty, welcoming nature of a farmhouse aesthetic with the precision of Japanese cabinetry. Consider matte black fixtures paired with light oak open shelving. The dining area should be a celebration of gathering. A sturdy, reclaimed wood table becomes the centerpiece, paired with simple, elegant wooden chairs. It is about creating a space where the act of preparing a meal feels like a meditative ritual rather than a chore. A sanctuary for rest. Your bedroom should be the ultimate refuge. To achieve the perfect blend, focus on low-to-the-ground furniture. A Japanese platform bed base works wonders here. Use a calming, monochromatic color palette. Think soft creams, muted grays, or gentle wood tones. Layering is your friend. Use chunky, high-quality wool throws to introduce that farmhouse coziness, while keeping the surfaces clear of distractions. This is where your inside design choices most directly impact your well-being. Your personal onsen. Transforming your bathroom into a private spa is easier than you think. Swap out harsh lighting for warm, dimmable fixtures. Introduce natural materials, a bamboo bath mat, stone accessories, or even a small indoor plant to bring life to the space. If possible, a wooden stool or a simple, clean-lined vanity reflects that blend of rustic farmhouse charm and Japanese functional beauty, turning a routine shower into a restorative, Zen experience. Nature's extension. Finally, we move outdoors. A Japanese-inspired garden isn't about perfectly manicured lawns. It's about honoring nature's own design. Use gravel paths, large, smooth river stones, and hardy, evergreen shrubs. Incorporate a simple wooden bench, another farmhouse staple, to create a quiet spot for contemplation. By bringing these elements into your garden, you create an intentional flow between the inside design of your home and the tranquility of the outside world, completing your total home transformation. As we wrap up today's transformation, remember that the true beauty of this Japanese-inspired farmhouse aesthetic lies in the restraint you choose to exercise. By focusing on intentional inside design, curating your decor with purpose, and embracing the raw, honest beauty of natural materials, you have the power to turn your living space into a lasting monument to Zen. We hope these steps have provided the clarity you need to start your own renovation journey with confidence. If you felt that sense of calm wash over you today, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone who is looking to simplify their life. Join our growing Hambalung Studio community by letting us know in the comments which room in your home is most ready for a Zen-inspired refresh.